Hi, my name is Gracia. Welcome to my channel. I said I would make a nail video, so here I am. I wanted to make a quick disclaimer that I am not a licensed nail tech yet. Unfortunately, I was like 2 weeks into school when the quarantine happened. Bigger problems, that's fine. But yeah, I have been doing my own nails for like a year. Those are my only credentials. That being said, so my nails were looking kind of rough. I cook a lot, I clean a lot, even like before this, and I've been gardening a lot, so this is what I'm starting with. So I typically do an acrylic overlay of like some type of natural color with a gel polish on top. So I'm just shaving that off with a carbide bit. It is a safety bit, so I cannot cut myself with it, but if you lose control of your e-file like and it touches your hand, it is gonna shred it to pieces. I find with these bits there is a sort of sweet spot for the speed, so feel free to play around with that. I think for this one I go 6,000 RPMs. So when taking off gel polish, typically I go around like the cuticle area and then I just shave it off in one direction. It's going to leave you like with the integral shape of the nail that you had before, so you don't have to add as much product on top. I do feel the need to say yes, this is sped up. So typically this is a really patient process where I take my time and make sure I don't burn myself. So just make sure you take your time. I personally find it easy to do that because this part is like oddly satisfying, just like to shave all the color off. So obviously you can tell by the thumbnail, these are short nails. I, like a lot of people during this quarantine, bought something I shouldn't have. Bought a guitar, and I am interested in playing again, and for that you have to have short nails. So if I do long nail videos, it's going to be on a dummy hand until I feel like it's safe for, you know, me to interact with another person. For some reason, I didn't film myself doing it on my right hand, so yes, this is my left hand. Typically, I push my cuticles back first before I nip them. You can use a cuticle softener or like soak your hands first. It'll make it easier. If you're scared, then maybe avoid it. Just push your cuticles back and then use a sanding band. Honestly, it just makes it look more aesthetically pleasing. Like, you can have your cuticles nipped and just nail polish and your nails are gonna look nice. So I'm gonna make an in-depth video about this in the future, I think. Let me know if you're interested in that. But yeah, it's a learning curve for sure. So as it turns out, having a camera behind you is a lot different than having it in front of you. So obviously, this is my first nail video. I did a really not good job of being in the frame. So unfortunately, this is my pinky. This is the only shot that was in frame and it's blurry. So I will consider this in future videos. I'm not that good at application yet anyways, but I just wanted to apologize for that. I didn't have to file that much, so I decided not to include that part. I dehydrate my nails typically and then put primer, and this is top coat that I'm showing here. Honestly, I don't even remember if I did that, so these might pop off, but you know what, that's future Greg's problem. I was also not satisfied about this angle right here. Dude, painting your nails is like the best part, and the fact that the angle was wonky. I mean, I think I fixed it later, but still bummed me out. So again, this will be considered for future nail videos. What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just a container for the mind? So funny story, my camera did die while I was doing my left hand. I'm right-handed, so this is very hard. I'm trying my best. What is your woman? She's just a container for the child. That soft pain matter. Cotton candy, magical. Oh. I'm using the Model 1's top coat matte. This is a really good one if you're looking for an inexpensive one. If you made it till the very end, I want to thank you for sticking around. When this is over, I'm gonna get my hands on acrylic powder because, you know, sometimes these look flat, but you know, they're still cute. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next video. Bye.